native pepper. You grind it, you pound it to break down the seeds, because it's always come out with small seed. So you take time and pound it. As you pound it, you make sure that you do not see the seed anymore, because the soup can definitely bring out the seed. The soup doesn't hide the seed. So you see that it's much of dawa dawa.
Yes.
You see that mostly
Okay, you don't pound it down.
No.
You have that option if you want to pound it.
If you want to, yes, you can. You can pound it, but we like eating it since it's native soup. It's like you are using dawa dawa now. Dawa dawa is a substitute of this thing that is strengthening the soup. I want to put oil there to brighten the face of the soup.
Is there any need for constant turning?
Yes. Let the locust beans, dawa dawa, not burn under.
Okay.
Yes, let it not burn under.